Welcome back to the next video. In this video we'll talk about that safe area view in React Native has been deprecated, and in the future, by the time you guys watch this video, it might be completely removed. So what's the alternative? It's quite simple. It is this one, React Native safe area context. So all you need to do, I will just show it to you. Like, I have created a simple project using React Native community CLI, but if you are using Expo, the solution would be the same thing as well. You just need to install this particular library using this command. So I already have installed it, React Native safe area context, and you just have to replace safe area view with the safe area provider. That's all you need to do. You can also use this safe area insets if you feel like, and if you want to pass this to your new app screen, you can do that as well. So if you see new app screen, this is, I think they have just imported it from React Native new app screen. So this you don't need to do this. This could be your own actual React Native screen. So all you need to do is just wrap it inside a safe area view, and that's all you need to do. Safe area provider, which you need to import from React Native safe area context. If you want to get the safe area insets, you can use this particular React hook as well. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you want to drop off from this video, feel free, but here just wanted to show you why they decided to deprecate, or in future they will completely remove the safe area view component. So safe area component was added for iOS to support the feature of the same name since iOS level. This allows content to be expanded to fill the available screen area without overlapping with system UI, like the status bar, or being cut off due to rounded edges of the device. Android has also been supporting H2H in recent version of OS, but there was no official support for this in the React Native core. While safe area view has worked in some cases, it's very limited in its usage due to its not offering any options to control its behavior. It only offers automatic padding to prevent content overlap or cutoff. Also, did I mention it is iOS only? Due to these reasons, we are moving away from safe area view and will be deprecating it in the future. React Native safe area context has been a popular community library with feature-rich capabilities. We are recommending it to handle forced H2H on Android 15. It can be used to support general H2H in other Android versions and iOS as well. It provides safe area view replacement with more options and additional hooks to get system inset values, which offer more flexibility in its usage. Also, code examples in React Native dev website have been updated to use React Native safe area context for version 76. Special thanks to CMake for updating all the code example. React Native H2H. H2H isn't just about displaying content in a safe area. There are other gaps to fill if you want to fully embrace H2H. React Native H2H is a new library backed by Expo that has recently released version 1. It is trying to tackle gaps in general H2H support and also provide some recommendation in other areas where you may need to consider.